Exercise 11.2, question number 6. For making this construction, you need to have a scale, sharp pencil and a compass with a pencil fixed to it. Here, first you read the question. ABC is a right triangle in which the two sides measure 6 and 8 centimeter with angle B as 90. This is the first construction I need to do. Then I should construct BD is the perpendicular from B to the hypotenuse AC. Then you have to draw a circle passing through BCD. This should be shown in the construction. After this, you have to finally construct tangents from point A to the circle. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts involved here. I am going to divide this problem into 4 parts and clear one by one. Okay. The first part is to make a right triangle. First part is to make a right triangle. As I am telling you, it is not going to be an exact measurement. For you to see it proper, I am making it little larger. So, first I am taking the base as 8 centimeter. I am taking the base as 8 centimeter. Measure, name it as B, name it as C, name it as B, name it as C. This measures 8 centimeter. Then at B, construct 90 degree because it is right triangle. So, at B, construct 90 degree. So, 60, 120 and bisection. So, this is your 90 degree. Extend, mark 90 degree at B. Now, measure 6 centimeter in compass. Measure 6 centimeter in compass. Keep the needle at B. Draw an arc. Name it as point A. Join A to C. Join A to C. This is 6 centimeter. Next, you have to make B from B one perpendicular. So, for making this perpendicular, you fix the needle of the compass at B and pencil end little away from the hypotenuse. You cut an arc like this. Little away, cut an arc on hypotenuse. This arc cuts the hypotenuse at 2 places. Now, for this line segment, draw perpendicular bisector. Draw perpendicular bisector. Now, join this point this way. Let it intersect AC at D. So, angle at D is 90. So, BD is perpendicular to AC. Now, a circle should be drawn passing through B, C and D. So, you find the midpoint of the side BC. Midpoint of the side BC. To find the midpoint, I am trying to draw the perpendicular bisector. I am trying to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. So, using scale, you try to draw. Only this point I want. Name it as M. It is the midpoint of BC. Now take your compass, needle at M, pencil at B, draw a circle. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. So that is the third part. A circle is drawn passing through BCD. So the circle passed through BCD. Okay. Now, for the circle, the point A lies outside the circle. So you have to draw two tangents for the circle from point A. Okay. Now, AB is a tangent, BM is a radius because angle at 90. So, this is radius. So, this AB, which is the side of the triangle, is now a tangent to the circle. Can I call it as a tangent? Yes, it is a tangent. So, it measures 6 centimeter. So, the same 6 centimeter now you measure, keep the needle at A, cut an arc on the circle, cut arc on the circle. Now, name it as E. Name it as E, join AE. I am showing it with red color for you to see it clear. So, AE is the tangent. So, AB is equal to AE equal to 6 centimeter. So, this is how you are constructing the tangent for the circle. This is how you are constructing the tangent for the given circle. Now, I will just repeat all the steps one by one. First, you have to construct a right triangle ABC in which base BC is equal to 8 centimeter and the side AB as 6 centimeter with angle B as 90. So, first you draw the base. At B, draw an angle of 90 degree using ruler and compass. In that line, cut an arc for 6 centimeter, catch hold of point A. AB measures 6 centimeter, join A to C. AC is the hypotenuse of the right triangle ABC. Now, from B, you have to draw a perpendicular for the side AC. For the side AC. So, take the compass, needle on B, pencil end little away from the hypotenuse, cut an arc. That arc meet the hypotenuse at two places. That line segment you draw the perpendicular bisector and the perpendicular bisector and hypotenuse meet at one place. Name it as D. So, angle at D is 90. So, BD is the perpendicular of AC. Now, draw the perpendicular bisector of the side BC. Let it meet at M on BC. M is the midpoint of BC. Keep the needle, take your compass, keep the needle at M. Pencil end at B, draw a circle. This circle passes through B, C and D. The circle passes through these 3 points B, C and D. Next, AB is the side of the triangle as well as it is the tangent to the circle. AB is side of the right triangle as well as it is a tangent to the circle. So, a tangent measures 6 centimeter. Therefore, the other tangent also should measure 6 centimeter. So, measure 6 centimeter in compass. Right? Take compass and measure 6 centimeter. Needle at A. Cut an arc on the circle. Let the arc meet the circle at E. Join A to E. AB and AE are the two tangent to the circle from the point A. So, measure and write AB is equal to AE is equal to 6 centimeter. This is how you are going to make the construction for question number 6.